Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to share something that I just picked up from Amazon. They just actually came today, so these are brand new. But they're bit sets from a company called Railer. And they come in a really interesting holder. It's a really rigid but soft yet, you can see I can flex it, bit holder where the bits are in there in a friction fit, but they're super tight. I don't know if that'll loosen up over time or not, so you guys will have to let me know if you've used these before. But they're really handy, and I can just see it as something that's really nice. It's got a carabiner where you can clip it on to your bag if you want to keep them nice and handy. But this is a 20-bit set. They do come in smaller sets. They actually even have one that has a magnetizer. I think it is maybe a 10-bit set that has a hole where it's a magnetizer. That one looks really handy. So that's really interesting to me. But this set here has kind of an assortment of Torx bits, square heads, some Phillips, and some flatheads. But I thought that they were just really handy because right now I've just kind of got bits, thrown here in my Vito bag. But this is something that's going to really help to keep you organized and allow you to have really easy access. The other one that I picked up that is really interesting is this ball head hex set. So in fact on the box it's called a SAE and metric ball head hex mega bit rail. But it's the same concept on how they all stay in there. But this I really liked because I didn't want to have a bunch of Allen wrenches in my bag, whether they're loose or in a package in some way. They just take up more space. And I saw this and I thought, wow, you know what? This doesn't take up hardly any space. You can just drop it down in your bag again, or you can clip it on to one of your rings. And it's just in there and easily accessible. You can pop one of these out and put it in your impact or on an 11-to-1 or anything like that, and it's going to work out really great. But these are really nice because they are marked. I don't know if you can see this. This one here is a 5/16, so it is marked right there on it, so you don't have to play any type of a guessing game on what you have. That was one thing that I thought about after the fact was, boy, I wonder if those are going to be marked, and sure enough they are. So that's really awesome. Let's take a look at these and see if they're marked also. We'll pull out this Phillips out of the center here and see if it's marked. Yep, it's marked. So all of these are marked, which that is really nice. Obviously the ones that you are going to use a little bit more over time, you're probably going to put in a handier spot in there so they're easily accessible to pull them out. But in the box, the boxes are labeled on what is in the box, but inside it's real nice packaging. You have your bit rail that'll come in there. Also the carabiner, a sticker is also included inside of the box. So they're nicely packaged too. Packaging goes a long way, at least for me, on how something is put together. So it makes me feel like the company is putting a little bit more of an investment and care into at least how their products are presented. But I don't know if you guys have ever used these, so I'd really love it if you would comment down below if you had, how the bits hold up. Out on Amazon, I believe I got these for $18, right at $18. I'll stick it up here on the screen and show you, but they have a wide variety of different setups, so you can kind of customize this to really what you want it to be. But really cool tool. Just wanted to share it with you guys. But until next time, guys, I hope that you're having a great time in the shop. All right.